Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to cut curve image in Photoshop. Let's begin. I apply this A to Z formula. To file, open. Use pen tool. Right click on your mouse, click pen tool. Path. Then first of all, cut image. Hold Alt. Hold Alt. Hold Alt. Then layer mask. Right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer. Then press Ctrl T. Again cut this. Then cut the image. Click the selection tool. Select. Then press Ctrl J for duplicate cut and direct cut. Direct cut. Apply the same formula. Direct cut or press Ctrl I for this out inside. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.